string string n name name is equal to double quote a r I n e a m random g h o s h Ghosh semicolon enter int int e l a s s class is equal to 2 semicolon enter t h a r char s e section equal single quote p semicolon enter I int int roll roll 12 11 1 11 semicolon enter I int int m a t h max is equal max 4040 semicolon enter int int e vs is equal to 4040 semicolon enter int int e ng English is equal to 4040 semicolon enter is system dot out dot println. In the class name will be there name name enter system dot out dot println class class enter system dot out dot println section section enter system dot out dot println roll roll enter system dot out dot println in a math enter, out, dot, enter, with intelligent. ENG, English. So we are ready. So the answer is 2, 2 C 11. So the answer is 2 in the verse 2 C 11 40 40 40. Complete.